Assalamu alaikum, student of class 6. I am your ICT teacher Khurshid Alam Rani from Square High School and College, and today I am going to discuss about instruments related to ICT, which is from your ICT book chapter 2. So let's get started. Output device. Information and data are entered inside a computer using input devices. Computer works on those information and data by the help of the memory and the processor. After completing the task, computer sends out the result through output devices. Monitor and printer are common output devices. Those of you who have either seen or used the computer or have seen the picture of a computer can identify the monitor separately, as it looks very much like a television. What happens inside a computer appears on the monitor. So those who use the computer always keep their eyes on the monitor while working on the computer. If you write something in the computer, you can see that on the monitor. If you draw any picture, you will also see it on the monitor. What appears on the monitor of a computer is not at all permanent. When anything new comes, the previous ones vanish. Therefore, need to use something else if we want to store something permanently. And for doing this, the printer is the easiest solution. Everything that has been written in this book was first printed with a printer. We can print books or letters on papers of a definite size, but we cannot use the general printer for printing poster, banners, big advertisements, or designs of a house. For these, we need a plotter. It is not that we want to always print something permanently by using output devices. Sometimes we want sounds as an output. For instance, we may want to listen to a song, so we can attach a speaker with the computer if we want to get sound as an output. So a speaker is also a type of output device. We can see on the monitor and hear from the speaker. So the computer has now become a great means of recreation. Only one person can watch in the small monitor of a computer. Sometimes it is not sufficient. Instead, we want to see together. The picture in the monitor needs to be enlarged when somebody delivers a lecture or gives a presentation in a seminar. Similarly, to watch the World Cup or enjoy a movie, the output of the monitor must be made bigger. Multimedia projector is used in this case. The picture in the monitor can be made much bigger on the screen of a video projector. There was a time when the monitor of a computer used to occupy largest space, but now today's monitors are very light and thin. There is another type of device that can act both as an input and an output device at the same time, and the name of such a device is touch screen. The touch screen works like a monitor, and we can feed information inside that screen by touching it. Now touch screen is not only used for the computer, it is also used for mobile phones. Software. Input, output, memory and processor, all these are hardwares. These hardwares become active and meaningful in the computer by the help of softwares. Generally, softwares of a computer can be divided into two types. One is application software. By this type of software, we can write, draw picture, listen to songs, browse the internet, and do many such works and applications. So this type of software is called application software. But this application software cannot be used directly in the computer. If we want to use these application softwares, we need to keep the monitor active by the help of another type of software. The name of that software is operating system software, in short operating system or OS. The moment a computer is turned on, the operating system starts working. It examines all hardwares of the computer connects one hardware with the other and activates the input and output system. It also manages how information is to be stored in the computer. So the operating system keeps a computer active and makes it ready for work. Operating system makes a lot of things ready in the computer so that application softwares can use them. Supercomputers have their own operating systems. The names of the operating system of our familiar PC or personal computer are Windows, macOS, UNIX, etc. We need to buy the operating system just like the hardware of a computer, and these are very costly. So many computer scientists of the world have jointly prepared one type of open source operating system which is available free of cost. You should not think that as they are available free of cost, they are not effective. Those are very good operating systems. The name of such an operating system is Linux, which is a very popular operating system in the world. The use of computers depends on our creativity. Finding a task to do, we can develop an application software for that task. There are two types of application software: packaged software and customized software. Many people separately prepare application softwares for the works that most people need to do. For example, the application software for writing, which is called word processor. Many interesting word processors have been created as everyone wants to use them. Similarly, specific softwares have been made for drawing pictures, listening to songs, watching videos, playing different computer games, and for browsing internet. These softwares are called packaged software. Just as how many companies produce TV, car, and a camera and sell them in the market and earn money, many companies develop packaged softwares and sell them to people and earn money. You will be astonished to hear that many of the richest people of the world have become rich by selling packaged softwares. There are application softwares for all types of work. Then the question is there a software for making softwares? Surely there is. When you grow a bit older and learn how to do programming, you will be able to create softwares for making other softwares and create special softwares of different types. When a special software is prepared for doing a particular work, it is called customized software. The great computer scientists of the world have created operating systems so that people can get those without any cost. You can get these softwares almost free of cost for your use. Scientists all over the world are trying to reach all types of software to all people almost free of cost. Some more machinery of ICT. Land phone. There was a time when electric wires were used to transfer our phone conversations from one place to another. Our conversations commuted as electric signals through the wire. As the signals had to be sent through electric wires, the telephone always had to be connected with the wire. These phones are called land phones. Mobile phone. Due to the advancement of technology, we now can send wireless signal if we desire. Since this phone does not need to be connected through wires, we can carry it in our pocket and move around. That's why we call this phone mobile phone. The price of this phone has come down significantly, so even the ordinary people of the country can use this phone. It is not only that the price of the mobile phone has come down. Mobile phone is gradually becoming smartphone. We can take pictures, listen to songs, listen to radio programs, travel with GPS, play games, even use internet with this mobile phone. So we can imagine that this mobile phone in the future will be able to perform the functions of a computer. Modem. There was a time when telephone line or telephone network was used only for sending voice. Now telephone line or telephone network is also used for sending data and information of a computer. The instrument that connects telephone network with the computer is a modem. Satellite. We sometimes use a satellite for sending information from one place to another place of the earth. Data can be sent to the satellite through an antenna facing the space. The satellite receives the signal and sends it to another direction. Unlimited number of TV channels are broadcasted in the whole world by this process. The first satellite of Bangladesh, named Bangabandhu Satellite 1, was sent to the space on 12th May 2018. Bangladesh stands at 57 of the satellite-owning countries of the world. Optical fiber. There was a time when any information was sent anywhere in the world as electric signals through wires or as wireless signals without wires. Now, new technology has come up throughout the world for sending information and data, and that is optical fiber technology. Actually, optical fiber is a transparent fiber of glass. It is as thin as hair, and information and data can be transmitted through this in the form of light signals. Laser light is used in the light signals. You will be surprised to know that this light cannot be seen with our eyes. It is possible to send as much information with an optical fiber as can be done with 1 crore telephone lines. So, optical fiber is now used throughout the world as a means of communication. Okay students, that was all about for today. In next class, I will discuss about safe use of ICT, which is from your ICT book chapter 3. Till then, goodbye.